everyone, this is Pranverse. Today I'm here to share with you something very interesting. I'm going to share with you 2 affirmations for each of the 7 major chakras. Now, anytime you experience any negativity in your life like anger or guilt or shame, anything which has disturbed your inner peace and balance, you can come to this video and do try the affirmations that I mentioned for every chakra. So let us start with root chakra. Root chakra is also called as Mooladhara chakra in Sanskrit. The 2 affirmations for root chakra are as follows. Number 1, I am safe and grounded. I am safe and grounded. Number 2, I am prosperous. I am prosperous. The next one is sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is also called as Swadhisthana chakra in Sanskrit. The 2 affirmations for sacral chakra are, first one, I am comfortable in my body. I am comfortable in my body. Number 2, I am at peace with my childhood. I am at peace with my childhood. Next is solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus chakra is also called as Manipur chakra in Sanskrit. The affirmations for solar plexus chakra are, first one, I believe in myself. I believe in myself. And number 2, I feel good about myself. I feel good about myself. Next is heart chakra. Heart chakra is also called as Anahat chakra. The 2 affirmations for heart chakra are, I give and receive love easily. I give and receive love easily. And number 2, I love. Yes, I love. So you can say, I love. Yes, I love. Next is throat chakra. Throat chakra is located right in the middle of the throat. It is also called as Vishuddhi chakra. The 2 affirmations for throat chakra are, first one, I express myself effortlessly. I express myself effortlessly. And number 2, I am okay listening to others. I am okay listening to others. Next, third eye chakra. Third eye chakra is also called as Ajna chakra. The 2 affirmations for third eye chakra are, first, I see clearly. I see clearly. And number 2, I know what I want. I know what I want. The next one is crown chakra, which is also called as Sahasrara chakra. The 2 affirmations for crown chakra are, I thank myself. I thank myself. And number 2, I am. I am. Now, how many times you should be saying these affirmations? Each affirmation 21 times. And is it compulsory for you to say both the affirmations for every chakra? No. You can choose one that resonates with you the most. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come up with more interesting stuff in the upcoming video. Thank you.